Hello students. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic of HRM, that is, training and development. Let us know the meaning of training and development through an example. This is Sam riding his new bicycle. Oops! He fell down from his bicycle and was about to hit on his head. Can anyone answer why? Because he was not having any training to develop his skills of riding. Now, moving on to main concept, such as Introduction to Training and Development. Training and developing activities include training employees, developing management, and helping to develop careers. These activities are designed to increase the abilities of the employees of the organization in order to facilitate employee performance. So, what is training exactly? It is a process that attempts to improve employee performance on a currently held job by providing the employee with the knowledge and skills needed for their present job. It is designed to bring about changes in specific knowledge, skills, attitudes, or behavior. And, on the other hand, development refers to learning opportunities directed toward helping employees grow. Generally, the term development is used to refer to new learning experiences provided to managerial employees, and hence, it is also called management development. Management development consists to upgrade knowledge, change attitudes, or increase aptitude. To understand the concept more clearly, let's see a video. Now let's discuss the difference between general and specific training. General training helps employees gain skills that can be used at workplaces, is called general training. Specific training increases the worker's productivity only at the employer's workplace. In general training, workers can take their acquired transferable skills to other employers. In specific training, employees gain information and skills that are directed specifically to the employee's own workplace. Now, why it is so important for an employer to train and develop his employees in this contemporary era. Let's take a look on these points of need for training and development of employees. First one is performance improvement. The main purpose of training is to improve individual and organizational performance. When employees are unable to perform in accordance with expected standards due to deficiency in skills, training often becomes instrumental in minimizing those problems. Next point is updating skills. Technological advances result in changes in the nature of jobs. These result in skills demands for these jobs to be performed successfully. Training helps in upgrading employee skills to meet the changes of technological advancements and prevents managerial obsolescence. To solve problems. Organization faces several problems, such as scheduling delays, inventory shortages, absenteeism, employee turnover, union management disputes, etc. Training provides one means for solving these problems. Next need is to do new employee orientation. New employees came to the organization with certain expectation. Orientation training helps newcomers adjust faster to the organization. Moving on to next need, that is preparations for promotions. Promotions serve to motivate and retain personnel. Organizations design their training and management development programs to prepare and enable employees to acquire the skills needed for a promotion. Lastly, it creates opportunities for personal growth. Training and development serves to help employees in their quest for personal growth. Employee growth leads to improved job performance, as well as greater organizational effectiveness. Next is benefits of training and development. First benefit is that it acts as a strategic organizational activity. In a knowledge economy, it is no longer sufficient to get employees to attend an occasional training module a few times a year. Firms operating in a globally competitive market need to train and retrain their employees. Next is advancement in technology. As skill requirements change due to technological advances, training is required to help the workforce learn the new skills. To remain competitive, organizations must continue to train their employees to learn and use the latest available technologies. Work redesign. Employees are required to take initiative, develop interpersonal skills to be able to perform well and work in teams. Therefore, they need to acquire a broad range of skills, such as teamwork, collaboration, and conflict management. Mergers and acquisitions. A major challenge during mergers and acquisition is to integrate employees of two organizations that have different cultures. At this time, training becomes a strategic tool. Restructuring. Whenever a firm restructures itself, training issues are likely to emerge. Common training needs during restructuring include new job skills, morale, outplacement, change management, etc. Workforce diversity. Diversity of workforce has increased. Moreover, globalizations of business operations require managers to acquire knowledge related to cultural differences and develop skills to manage them. Employee mobility. The notion of lifetime employment stands challenged. Employees move from one organization to another with higher frequency than in the past. Therefore, orienting and integrating new employees to the workplace is taking up more of organizations' time.